This is vocabulary part 20. Words that starts with the letter B.
Bitat. Bitat.
Crack in the ground.
Bitat. May bitat ang sahig.
The floor has a crack. This could also be used for the wall is cracked. May bitak ang pader. Bitak. Next is bitay.
Hanging if you were executed.
Or electrocution.
Bitay.
I'm not sure if the Philippines has a capital offense which is punishable by death.
Hindi ko alam kung merong bitay sa Pilipinas.
Hindi ko alam kung merong bitay sa Pilipinas. I don't know if the Philippines has a capital punishment punishable by death. Next word is beaten. Beaten. Hang. Beaten. Hang the merchandise. Ibitin mo ang paninda. Ibitin mo ang paninda. Next word is bitiw. Bitiw. To resign. To give up a position. To let go. To set free. To loosen grip. Bitiw. The president resigned. Nagbitiw ang presidente. Nagbitiw ang presidente. Bitiw. Our next word is bitiwan. Bitiwan. To let go, to give up. Same thing as bitiw. Next word is bituin. Bituin. A star. Bituin. There are no stars tonight. Walang bituin ngayong gabi o walang mga bituin ngayong gabi. Next word is bituka. Bituka. Intestine or bowel. Chicken intestine is sold in barbecue grills. Ibinebenta ang isaw ng manok o bituka ng manok sa barbecuehan. Ibinebenta ang bituka ng manok sa barbecuehan. Next word is biya. Biya. Fresh water fish. Biya. I wasn't able to buy biya. I wasn't able to buy fresh water fish. Hindi ako nakabili ng biya. Hindi ako nakabili ng biya. Biya. Next word is biyahe. Biyahe or trip. Voyage. Biyahe. Our trip is long. Mahaba ang biyahe natin. Mahaba ang biyahe natin. Biyahe. Next word is biyak. Like the first word we have here, which is bitak. Biyak. Split or crack. The coconut was split. I split the coconut. Biniyak ko ang buko. O nabiyak ang buko. Biyak. Same with biyakin, to split or to divide. Next word is biyaya. Biyaya. Blessings. Blessings. Biyaya. I have 20 of blessings. I have plenty of blessings. Marami akong biyaya. Marami akong biyaya. Biyaya. Next word is byuda. Byuda. Widow. Mrs. Santos is a widow. Byuda. Si Mrs. Santos. Byuda si Mrs. Santos. Next word is viudo. Viudo. Widower. Viudo. Mr. Soriano is a widower. Viudo si Mr. Soriano. Viudo si Mr. Soriano. Next word is blanco.
Blank. Blank. My paper is blank. Blanco ang papel ko. Blanco ang papel ko.
Blanco. Our next word is bobo. Bobo. Stupid. Feeble-minded.
Mag-aral kang mabuti para hindi ka maging bobo.
Study hard so you don't become stupid.
Mag-aral kang mabuti para hindi ka maging bobo. Bobo. Next word is bodega. Bodega.
Storeroom or stock room. The storage room or the stock room is dark. Madilim sa bodega. Madilim sa bodega.
Bodega.
Next word is bola. Bola. Ball. Like the basketball. Bola. Nasaan ang bola ko? Where is my ball? Nasaan ang bola ko? Bola. Next word is bumbero. Bumbero. Fireman. Bumbero. Mahirap ang trabaho ng bumbero. The fireman's job is hard. Mahirap ang trabaho ng bumbero. Mahirap ang trabaho ng mga bumbero. Bumbero. Our next word is bombilya. Light bulb or electric bulb. Bombilya. Bumili ka ng bumbilya. Buy a light bulb. Bumili ka ng bumbilya. Bumbilya. Next word is boses. Voice. Mahina ang boses niya. His voice is soft. O malakas ang boses niya. His voice is loud. Malakas ang boses niya. Next word is botante. Botante. Voter. There are a lot of voters in our barangay. Maraming botante sa barangay namin. Maraming botante sa barangay namin. Next word is bote. Bote. Bottle. Bote. Return the bottle. Isauli mo ang bote. Isauli mo ang bote. Bote. Same thing with botelya. It's a small bottle, botelya. Botika is our next word. Botika. Drugstore or pharmacy. Botika. Buy medicine at the drugstore. Bumili ka ng gamot sa butika. Bumili ka ng gamot sa butika. Butika. Our next word is boto. Boto. Vote. Vote. Boto. Who did you vote? Sino ang binoto mo? Sino ang binoto mo? We would like to thank our members here on Patreon, and if you would like to become a member, you could go to learntagalogfilipino.com or at patreon.com/learntagalogfilipino and get all the perks, the benefits, the lessons, and our challenges. We will soon have challenges on our website. So if you are a member, you'll get all the information and all the valuable things that is needed to learn the language. At kung nag-aaral ka ng Filipino, and if you're studying Filipino, kayang-kaya mo yan. You can do it.